Okay, here the gate is open. The kayak is inside. Close the gate. I keep pressing close the gate. So close the gate. Okay, the gate is closed. Close the sluice. See, just one press. It's not like the gate you need to keep pressing. This is one press. It will become here green. Sluice is closed. See, sluice is closed. Now we go this way. Here it's how to open the lock. First open the sluice. Yeah, here you can press. See, open the sluice. Just keep going up. Open the sluice to let the water in. Look how the water. To make the water in, you need to open the sluice. See, the sluice is open. The water is coming up. So the kayak is there. Now after everything, the sluice is open, and now open the gate. The gate is open. I keep my finger press on it to make it open. The door should be till end. This one is open, the other one need to wait till the end. See, I leave, and now I need to pass my kayak. Don't forget to subscribe to Anis Outdoors for more video. This is how to operate the lock. See you.